I'm Deanne Beard. I'm with DNR Insurance of Lewellen, and I've been with MIAA since October, November of 2007. As a captive, I only had one company to sell. When they did not become competitive, I had nowhere to go. It was very personally limiting. They kept cutting our commission, changing the requirements for underwriting, changing the commission requirements. I didn't own my own business. The management was very, very poor. There was no help from management. I constantly got the impression that small agencies were being weeded out by a very large conglomerate, which is actually what happened. I was just, professionally, it was squelching. I was dying. I wanted to have competitive premiums for people in my area so they wouldn't have to travel outside of Garden County to have an agent. It keeps things here at home and keeps our small towns alive. So therefore, I did not want them to have to go to a larger community and just be a number to an agent, because I know my people very personally. What MIAA offers is, to a small agent like myself with a very small population, I could not go to, say, a large company like Travelers and apply as an agent because I don't generate enough premium. And if we had a couple losses, they would probably drop me because of the low premium base that I would have. By grouping with all the other small agents, then I'm able to be a part of that larger premium base and be able to be accepted by a company like Travelers. I have access to over 30 companies through MIAA. I'm directly appointed with about 10-15 companies, so I don't have to share commission. I just love being able to have someone to go to for questions when I don't know how to write a commercial policy, or if there's things on an Accord app I don't understand. I could just pick up the phone and talk to Josh or one of the commercial people and get my questions answered immediately. In my situation, I was at the point of losing the agency or not, and MIAA allowed me to keep an agency and stay in a small town and be competitive with larger communities. If you're someone that's in a small town on the outskirts of larger communities and you're competing with large community agencies, this will give you that edge to keep the business at home and to stay competitive. I actually do not see any reason why anyone would not want to do this for the support and the income.